Well, this is an interesting piece of Aynsley Cottage Garden. You can never be absolutely certain with a cottage garden whether it is teawares, dinnerwares, or just decorative dressing table or collectibles. But we're listing this as a lidded sugar bowl. It could have been a lidded trinket dish or a decorative piece, but it's quite unusual and certainly suitable for use as a sugar bowl. Let's just have a look at the base first before we go on to that handle, which makes it really outstanding. Nice block work of the classic Aynsley Cottage Garden, biggest anterior section with the butterfly, quite typical late 20th century cottage garden. Aynsley 1775 marks in absolutely fine clean condition. He's a little bit of a wash, but it's really bright. And the lid, which really makes this piece stand out. Let's have a look at that. Butterfly shaped handle, and unusually for cottage garden, it's got some gilt detailing around the tips of the wings. Nicely moulded. Very functional, works very well as a handle. Cottage garden decoration, 4 panels of that around this scallop rim lid. Not too much ribbing. Usually, this is unusual for cottage garden, and it hasn't got the rotated ribbing, but it's got the straight walled moulded ribbing in it. And a wide double inner rim detailing that expands inwards. Very nicely moulded, not glazed under that. Quite unusual. That rim is quite unglazed, which is unusual. I just wonder if that would have had a rubber or some form of protection on it, but it fits perfectly onto that piece. So I'm sure these are originally intended and sold as a set, and it makes, as I say, a very pretty addition to your Aynsley Cottage Garden collection. It's on sale from the Vintage and Antiques website, and if you follow the link description below, it will take you directly through to the website listing. Do have a browse through at all the other pieces. Got some quite unusual bits and bobs in cottage garden pattern coming on catalogue. Thanks for watching.